Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Yay! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't know why I'm saying it like that, but it's been a while since I've been on YouTube because I keep abandoning it. Long story short, I'm just so cramped at my grandma's house with all my business stuff and everything going on, and I'm officially moving into a new building on the 1st of December. I must be crazy because the 1st of December onwards I don't have any time for anything, so to move as well as like have all my Christmas stuff going on is crazy. If I don't laugh I'll cry. So today I'm going to vlog a very exciting event, the Christmas light switch on in Padiham. We've been asked to do it. So they wanted 8 characters and Father Christmas. It was very hard to get Father Christmas from the North Pole to do the light switch on, but I may have confirmed him. He is the real Santa as well, so yeah, I will try and get Santa Claus on YouTube. Does Santa Claus know what YouTube is? I wonder. Yeah, 8 characters. So the 8 characters are 2 fairies, 2 elves, a toy soldier, Cinderella, Belle, Elsa and Anna. 8. Oh my goodness. So I'll show you those guys as well. This is my current situation. All costumes and things like that. But yeah, really exciting. This is the first big event of Christmas and I hope you all enjoy this vlog. I feel very proud of myself that I've even started vlogging this, so let's hope I finish it. Yeah, enjoy and like and subscribe. I've had a coffee. I've had a coffee. That's why I'm being so weird. I almost forgot my ears. How amazing are these ears? These are from Zavi. Very luckily, I'm working with Zavi at the moment on TikTok. I don't know what my life is. It's so exciting. I'm gonna kind of give you guys some behind the scenes on my collabs as well. But basically, yeah, I'm now like a little promoter of Zavi and they do all that movie stuff. So these are my ears today. Did I also mention that I have a full day of parties as well? I've got a pot party and a Toy Story party while my staff do the event, and then I'm coming back to take care of Father Christmas. So I'm so busy. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous. So while I'm like, yeah, my staff, I just hope they're okay. But as long as I've got my Mickey ears, I'm fine, so yeah, let's go. I've arrived, guys. I've just popped the costumes in the changing room. It's absolutely freezing because this is the day of the storm. If you guys are watching this quite late, this is the storm day. Oh, zebra crossing, thank you. Yeah, so it's freezing. I feel so sorry for my performers, especially the fairy. Oh, horrible. So guys, we're here. Say hello, everyone. Hello. Look at Holly's hair. Oh my god, so good. I've got a shoot in a second because I've got a party. I wish I could stay, but they're all gonna freeze and have fun. Guys, I've just finished a pop party and a Jessie party and I'm gonna go and see how the staff are doing, how much fun they're having. I'm knackered. At least I wasn't cold though, I've been sweating all day. Back in Padiham and it's an absolute vibe. Hi Elsa! Hi! Wow, you look so good.
I know I do.
What's your name?
It's Gingerbread.
Gingerbread?
Yes, but you can call me Ginger because you're my friend.
Oh, your name's Ginger.
Yay.
What a nice name.
Have a lovely day. You too. I like your glove. Oh, Belle, come on. Do you think this looks fun? Oh, hi.
Oh, you look so nice.
Such a great day. Oh, I've had so much fun. I like these guys from Kingdom. They're so beautiful.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Yay! Elfie! Oh yeah, okay. Hi Santa!
Hello. Oh,
it's so nice to have you back.
Well, yes, it's been a long journey today.
Have you come from the North Pole?
Yes, and I brought some snow with me. Did you see it?
I did see the snow. Is that why it's here?
Yes, I scattered it last night.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
This doesn't look like your usual workshop, does it?
No, they're all busy.
The elves are busy.
Wow. Yes.
Oh, are you excited to switch the lights on, Santa?
Oh, I am excited. I can't wait to see these lights. Oh.
He's got his big coat on now.
Oh.
Woo! So I've decided to dress up because I was very jealous of Ginge over here. That is actually a character name, not just
she's not just being me.
Calling her Ginger. So we're both being elves. I tried the toy soldier costume on and one of the buttons popped off, so I was really upset. So we're gonna help you, aren't we, Santa?
We are.
Woo!
Right, so, boys and girls, I need you to shout quickly come Father Christmas, and we'll see if we can bring it out. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, is he there? Is he there?
The light switch on. You can tell we're in Padium. How are you, Hall?
I'm fine.
You look like a lion. So it actually was really fun. Me and Holly had the time of our life dancing on stage. I'm not even sure whether you saw that, guys, because Dan filmed from Australia. But it was really fun. I think we've got the gig next year. Yeah. But yeah, here's to the Christmas season.
Merry Christmas.
Merry bloody Christmas. And yeah, here's to all the other amazing events that we've got coming up. We did the light switch on, Dan helped record, and now we're having a lovely little meal in Padium. We've got sweet chilli chicken pizza, steak pizza, cheesy chips, feta, olives, gin in number 81 in Padium. Well, pretty, isn't it, Dan? You enjoying them? Padium has got everything. We're having a lovely evening. Merry Christmas!